The female Scarlet Macaw carefully deposits her clutch deep within the hollowed trunk, ensuring the safety of the next generation.
The female Scarlet Macaw exhibits a calm posture as she carefully lays her eggs, ensuring the continuation of her.
Deep within the Amazon, a new generation of scarlet macaws enters the world. The mother watches closely as the fragile chicks struggle free.
The scarlet macaw soars through the canopy, its vibrant plumage a flash of color against the deep green.
The Scarlet Macaw returns to the nest, bringing a crucial bounty of fruit for the hungry chicks.
The scarlet macaw returns to the nest, bringing a vital source of jungle fruit for her hungry chicks waiting inside the hollow tree.